Make sure you stay until the end. We will explain how you can actually even test camshaft position sensor. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500, guys. If you have a Fiat 500, you need to find where the camshaft position sensor is located. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Now, we'll be demonstrating on a 1.4 turbo engine, Abarth engine, but even if you have a different one, the procedure will be very similar. And we'll explain how you can actually even test camshaft position sensor, so make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you guys need to buy new camshaft position sensor parts, tools, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools, supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So with that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here. This is, guys, a Fiat 500 Abarth. We have the engine tray here removed, the engine battery mount. Okay, the battery mount is right here, it's removed. If you want to see a step-by-step video, we have it on the channel that will explain how to do that, okay, step by step. And now, as you can see, guys, okay, this right here now, okay, I'm talking, okay, let me see if I can get right there. Okay, let me focus now, quick. Okay, perfect. This sensor right here, guys, this is your camshaft position sensor. This sensor is actually located on the vacuum pump housing right here, and you can see that's your camshaft position sensor. It has only one board that needs to be removed in order to replace it, guys. So it's pretty simple. You disconnect the wire, and you can even do that after you remove the sensor. Practically remove the bolt, pull it straight out, you can wiggle it a little bit, pull it out, disconnect the wire, okay, and replace it with a new one. Now, if you want to know what are the symptoms of bad camshaft position sensor and how to test camshaft position sensor, we will have the video on our channel that will teach you how to do that step by step. And if we get here with the camera, okay, you can see it even, okay, a little bit better. Okay, that's the camshaft position sensor right here. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time.